In response to increasing international security challenges and a rising need for sophisticated missile systems, Raytheon Technologies Division has clinched the largest ever contract in the history of the AIM-120 AMRAAM missile program. The U.S. Department of Defense officially awarded the $3.5 billion deal on July 31, 2025, covering production lots 39 and 40. This agreement marks a significant step forward in reinforcing air dominance capabilities for both the United States and its allies. The AIM-120 AMRAAM, a cornerstone missile for U.S. air combat forces, has been operational for decades. It equips everything from older fighter jets to the latest fifth-generation aircraft. Though the contract's exact missile quantity isn't publicly detailed, unit costs can surpass $1 million depending on the missile variant. The scope of work includes not only missile manufacturing but also telemetry components, spare parts, and essential technical services. Notably, a large fraction of the production is designated for foreign military sales, FMS, benefiting 19 allied nations such as the United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, Finland, Poland, Canada, Israel, Ukraine, Australia, Sweden, the Netherlands, and Taiwan. All assembly and manufacturing will occur in Tucson, Arizona, with final deliveries slated by late fiscal 2031. Funding for this extensive contract is sourced from various government allocations spanning multiple fiscal years. These include procurement budgets from the Navy and Air Force, research and development funding, operational and maintenance accounts, plus financial contributions from allied nations through FMS programs. At the time of the contract award, over $621 million had been obligated. The acquisition process was non-competitive, and oversight is managed by the Air Dominance Division within the Air Force Life Cycle Management Center based at Florida's Eglin Air Force Base. This award builds upon a prior FMS contract Raytheon received less than a year ago, worth $1.2 billion. Sam Denick, president of Raytheon's Air and Space Defense Systems, highlighted that recent combat engagements underscore the missile's continued tactical importance and the necessity to equip allied forces with advanced tools to counter evolving aerial threats. The AIM-120 AMRAAM first entered service in the early 1990s and has since become a pivotal component in Beyond Visual Range (BVR) air combat scenarios. It boasts over a dozen verified air-to-air kills in various conflicts including those in Iraq, Syria, the Balkans, and South Asia. Its compatibility spans a wide range of Western fighter jets such as the F-15, F-16, F/18, F-22, F-35, AV-8B, Eurofighter Typhoon, Gripen, and Tornado. Currently, more than 40 countries deploy the missile. Featuring active radar homing combined with inertial navigation and mid-course updates, the AMRAAM delivers a fire-and-forget capability. Its different variants can reach speeds up to Mach 4 and engage targets at distances exceeding 160 kilometers. Beyond air-to-air roles, it is integrated into surface air defense platforms like NASAMS, which protects Washington, D.C., allied capitals, and Ukraine's airspace. The missile utilizes a solid-fuel rocket motor and carries a 20-kilogram fragmentation warhead. It is capable of extreme maneuverability, handling up to 40 G-forces, enabling effective engagement of fast, agile, and stealthy targets. Its proven track record and cross-platform adaptability have made it the U.S. Air Force's standard air-to-air missile for decades, covering both legacy and next-gen aircraft. Its versatility also extends to countering drones and cruise missiles. The AMRAAM-R, extended range, variant further expands its operational role in ground-based air defense. Since introduction, the AIM-120 has continually evolved through several upgrades. Initial A and B versions have been succeeded by enhanced C and D models. The C-5 variant added high off-bore sight, HOBS, targeting. Newer iterations like the C-7 and export-focused C-8, first tested in 2023, feature advanced electronics, extended range, and digital modernization via the Form, Fit, Function Refresh, F3R, program, which revitalizes onboard processors and circuit boards to support future software enhancements. The D3 variant, active since 2015, extends range by 50% over earlier models and improves aerodynamics. Raytheon representatives suggest the missile could operate alongside the still classified AIM-120 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, JATM, currently under development. Recent procurement documents also hint at a possible AIM-120E version, though it remains unconfirmed officially. Heightened demand for the AMRAAM correlates with pressures on Western missile stockpiles due to recent operations involving Houthi drone threats, Israeli air defense engagements, and Ukraine's combat use via NASAMS and new F-16 fighters. These trends reflect the shifting aerial threat landscape dominated by mass-produced loitering munitions, cruise missiles, and potential high-intensity warfare between nation-states. Notably, U.S. policy shifts allowing AMRAAM sales to Egypt, a move that was previously restricted to preserve Israel's military edge, demonstrate changing geopolitical arms transfer considerations. This landmark contract symbolizes a dual challenge: the urgent replenishment of depleted missile inventories and strategic preparation for potential future conflicts in an uncertain global environment. Constraints in supply chains and lengthy manufacturing timelines, compounded by years of underinvestment in missile production infrastructure, complicate efforts to quickly scale missile output. While this massive contract addresses pressing operational needs, it is unlikely to fully resolve immediate readiness gaps. Overall, the $3.5 billion Raytheon contract emphasizes the AMRAAM's lasting strategic value. Despite its origins decades ago, the missile remains a vital element of Western air defense systems due to its adaptability, broad platform integration, and ongoing modernization. As development progresses on next-generation weapons like the AIM-260 JATM, the AIM-120 continues to serve as a frontline air-to-air weapon for tactical and strategic missions worldwide.